Tummy look.
Is it really a worm or it lives in mangrove?
Yeah.
Yes, it goes in the mangrove.
And it's cooked or is
It's raw. No.
It's raw?
You don't eat it raw.
Takže ich je?
No.
Jak sa to stalo?
A v čom to je pre Boha?
Tummy look. Toto je nikto. Toto je normálny, že oni hovoria, že to nie je chrobák, ale či je to červík, je to zo stromu. Či je to v mangrovoch a je sa to s octom aj...
Obyčajný červík, čo leze v strome.
Woodworm
Very nice.
from
Filip, ale
mangroves.
keď to oni zjedia, aj ty to už musíš.
Nie.
Prečo nie?
Prečo by som mal?
Traditional. Okay, and you eat
Jaký
them
by ste uvedli,
just like
že tiež
that?
nevysrobíš?
Yeah, just like that. Dip it in the vinegar.
Is it warm or
You will
cold?
start?
Now it's cold.
Okay, cold.
Now it's cold.
Now it's cold. It used to be warm.
It's just like this.
Yeah.
You can touch it. You can touch it.
You like?
To je samilog.
Hej.
You want to get touch.
You start.
A čo to je vlastne?
To je červík z mangrovníka. Nedáš to?
Mangrovník nech majem, dreve hen to leze.
There you go.
To... Aha, with a fork? Toč ma.
Najskôr ty. Potom ja.
Yeah, but little boy
Hey, take a
can
picture.
eat worms.
I'm making video. To see him vomiting.
Okay.
Tak Kamil nazdrave.
Actually, all, or you can cut in a half.
Don't you want to cut it in half? It's okay.
Celé.
Počkej, to mám veci. Kamil, ako to nezomrieš?
Nice,
Ako
right?
to chutí?
Fresh.
Dobre to je.
She's fresh, she's so fresh.
Ja som vzali kúpo fotografiky, budeme že na to vecko, aby to vydávil. Aké je to?
Aké to je? Nie? Dobre, tak nie. Dobre, tak nie.
Yeah, swallow.
That's okay.
Aké to bolo?
Okay, next.
This is the structure of it. It's kind of a jelly,
Yes.
and it's very chewy.
Yeah.
You have to chew it or just to swallow it.
Yeah.
Right afterwards, you put it in your mouth.
Podaj
But
si.
it-
Nachni si to.
But give it a
Tak ja to
try.
asi nevyskúšam.
Give it a try. Ale namoč si to do tej omáčky.
Yeah.
Taký menší.
Neviem, či tam nájdeš taký menší.
Take the big one.
Mišo, daj si celý, neboj sa. To ty náš... Oh, you're a pussy. Pussy.
This must be very easy piece of cake.
You can feel the taste of it from the small one.
It's on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Piece of cake, right?
No tak,
Tak teraz to
ďalší
je.
veľký.
No?
To je.
Yeah, let's eat it all.
A to už majú také veľké. A také veľké nedám určite. Miest.
Aha, okay. Go. Pozor, tam máš oné semiačka z limetky. But you should also try it.
Yep. We have plenty of it.
It's okay.
It's okay. You feel only the one.
Ah.
Okay, Magdi.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Come on, let's try.
Oh yeah.
Are you sure? Is that what
Keď si človek predstaví, čo to je, tak...
To nechutí po ničom. Iba... Nie.
Ale tak...
Filip? No.
No. I will need it. Not a chance.
You want to try?
I'm not sure. I really can't.
Yeah.
Nyam nyam.